even without the express constitutional provision relative to public office and public trust, the accountability of all public servants to the people. Again, I don't care if this is insulting, but this is the right thing to do, and I would like to reiterate. You don't have common sense and logic. Sayang ang diploma mo. Regardless of your school you graduated, if you tolerate these EPAL practices, nefarious act of trapos, EPAL politico, would like to perpetuate their position at the expense of the public affair. Julius Duran, Honorable Duran, clearly said, it's a waste of money. Every time there's a new mayor, new color, stop the practice. And to answer Honorable Duran about his concern, wala problema sa funding, mura lang yan, pintura lang yan. You can always ask sponsorship from Boysen. 2 years is too long to retain all, just to stop this, the audacity of these EPAL politicos. Kuwarta yan kang banwa. Do not act as if you own the municipality because you're the mayor. Stop that audacity. Stop that kapulpalan na practice just to perpetuate your position at the expense of public affairs. Every 3 years, millions, just to retain, just to put your color. Stupid.